underwhelming whenever we picked it up, but I was like, yeah, it's a Corvette, whatever. It's not my car, so it doesn't matter. That sounds good, babe. Like, actually really nice. You can actually hear when it downshifts. What the fuck? It's so weird driving through my old neighborhood.
With all your old bitches.
Where all the white lady at?
You hear that?
What?
That's the only thing you can get out of V12, baby. That's what this baby's got.
It does sound